Welcome to the online class of astrology, Astrofox, the YouTube channel. So today we'll see different types of nadi. So why taking this topic is because many people have asked me, like, sir, what is the difference between Saptarishi nadi and bhrigu nandi nadi? Will we get more better accurate results if we go through Saptarishi nadi, or will we get better results if we combine with Chandrakala nadi? See, basically we should understand one thing. All nadi try to give only one thing, the result. Okay, if you want to reach a place, either you can take a bus or you can go in your vehicle or you can go in a train, but the mode of transportation is different, but the destination still remains the same. That's all. They all try to see that from different angles. Now let me give a few examples. There are more than 25 nadis today with literature. Okay, not in with literature, they are available in and around Tanjavur Saraswati Ma library, and Vaidishwaran Kohil, Shankaran Kohil, and Chidambaram. Okay, and few are also available in Coimbatore, where the authentic literature it is there. But the thing is, they are in Grantha language, and reading a Grantha lipi is not that easy because it is the oldest script of Tamil language. So firstly, the person should have the knowledge of Tamil. Secondly, he should be well versed in astrology. Thirdly, he should be able to translate it into the language which we know, that is mostly the English language. So it is not possible to go through all those things in this short video of YouTube because of time constraints. But I'll try to give you a small glimpse of 5 or 6 nadis which we can discuss as and today. Maybe in going further classes, another 4 nadi, another like Kapila nadi, Ganesha nadi, Ishwara nadi, Muruga nadi, like that. What are there? We can see that. Okay. So if you see this Dhruva nadi, it is mainly based on the Navatara chakra or the Tara bala. Okay, simply we can call it as Tara bala. For example, if the if the any planets like Mars or Saturn is posited in Vipattara, what result it will give? That is basic fundamental, and based on that they have developed many other rules. Okay, so again this Dhruva Nadi is of two versions. One is version which we quote a different author, and another one we have a author by Jayamuni, which is there in GOML Chennai. Okay. And if you go to Saptarishi Nadi, this majorly plays a prediction is based on the dispositor. So the dispositor, based on the position of dispositor, the entire prediction is given out, where 7 rishis sit and discuss in front of goddess Parvati, and the results are given. A lot of usage of other divisional charts also have been discussed, but major importance is given to the dispositor. Then Chandrakala Nadi, as we know, it's extensive use of Nadi Amshas, the minute part of the Rashi. So they use Nadi Amsha, divisional chart, Navamsha, all those things are used here, and that is how the prediction is given. Then Kamala Muni Nadi, they take you your thumb impression. Each thumb impression has a different unique name. On that unique name, there are certain nadis assigned to them, and they give that prediction. So it is basically like what is that? Asta Samudrika Sastra or palm nadi palmistry. Okay. Then we have Kaka Bhujendar Nadi, that is what we call it as Panchapakshi. So in Panchapakshi, where each person born on a certain day of moon's nakshatra and certain paksha, that is Krishna or Sukla paksha, then one of the bird becomes prominent. So bird means they categorize these 5 elements, air, fire, all those things into animals, sorry, the birds, and those birds were given different powers, when they will be more active, when they will be inactive, when they can win over enemy, when they can make a person and make things in their favor, or when is the other person's victim, or when they can take certain activity. Okay, everything was done with respect to the Panchapakshi. It's a very detailed study. So as and today we have a book on the market that is only for the good and bad time, but the entire detailed structure, it's around 800 pages. If you get to the Saraswati Ma library, you'll get around 800 pages. That even includes Lagna also. A hell lot of things can be done using Kaka Bhujendar Nadi. Then we have Bhrigu Nandi Nadi, which majorly takes the Karakatvas of planets. Okay, the Karakatvas of planets are given due importance here, and based on the Karakatvas of planets, everything is decided here. So like that, all the nadis converge to the same point, that is same destination. Only the way they take or the mode of transportation is different. So only if you try to appreciate each and every nadi text, then we will understand how amazing these nadis are there. For example, we have sugar nadi. So in sugar nadi, there are almost 1326 lines, which gives various combinations, and such amazing combinations. If you see in any chart, they come 100% true. Okay, but that requires little memory and other things. So I hope this video had made justice to those who asked me regarding the idea of different types of nadis. So we will keep going. It's based on your comments and your requests and your views. We can include more and more videos. Thank you. Have a nice